I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt parfait at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need your favorite yogurt, some crunchy granola, and fresh fruit like berries or sliced bananas. Make sure your fruit is washed and ready to go. This simple preparation ensures you have everything on hand for a quick and delicious treat. Selecting a good quality yogurt, whether plain or flavored, is key to a great parfait. Now let's build your parfait. Start by spooning a 2-inch layer of yogurt into the bottom of a clear glass or jar. This forms a solid base. Next, add a 1-inch layer of your favorite granola, ensuring an even spread for that satisfying crunch. Finally, gently place a 0.5-inch layer of your fresh fruit over the granola. Repeat these layers until your glass is full. Get creative with your parfait. Don't be afraid to experiment with different yogurt types, like Greek yogurt for extra protein or various fruit combinations. You can also add a sprinkle of chia seeds, chopped nuts, or a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for an extra touch of sweetness and texture. Preparing these the night before makes for a super quick breakfast. Your delicious homemade yogurt parfait is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately to keep the granola crunchy. If you're making them ahead, cover them tightly and store them in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your healthy and customizable treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.